Here we are again.
Here we are again.
So welcome to Rosebread Homestead. Once again, we are out in our screened-in porch, and we are standing in the part of it that is our off-grid kitchen. We have a few pieces of equipment out here we often use, and one of those is the griddle, and Jim has done some videos recently with the griddle. So a number of weeks ago, we did a video on flatbread, and then we followed that up with stuffed flatbread. And we stored some in the freezer, telling you that we would get back to you and show you another recipe for what we have called the stackers, flatbread stackers. So what do we have going, Jim?
We're going to go ahead and do pepperoni, pepperoni, veggie, mozzarella cheese stackers.
It is not a pizza-like thing, even though you build it sort of like a pizza, the taste is very different. After you heat up a flatbread, you're going to spread them with pesto.
That sounds good.
And then we'll put the veggies on. Now, the veggies, they're nothing special. We just kind of cleaned out what we had on hand. I was out early this morning, and I picked maybe our last little zucchini and last little yellow squash.
Yeah.
You picked one that was as big as your arm. A zucchini, my gosh, I don't know what we're going to do with that one. But in any
Be very careful with it.
It's true. Use it for batting practice.
At least.
So in any case, we've got in a bowl over there marinating some veggies, and I put in the two kinds of squash, some bits of red onion and bits of red pepper, and then we have some of the last tomatoes from this season as well that we're going to be doing in slices. So are you ready to begin?
I think so.
Okay,
I'm working
good.
on it. I think I'm smoked up.
Okay.
Really getting close.
So Jim has staged everything right here. Here's the pepperoni. We thawed these overnight in the refrigerator. These are the flatbreads. And then here's our sliced tomatoes and the veggies. And we marinated them in some of this salad dressing. This is one of our favorite ones. It has lots of oil on it, so it will work really well on the griddle. And then here is the pesto that Jim is going to use. So we've also put a couple of our pop-up drapes against the windows because that morning sun coming in is really bright and it messes up our photography. So are you ready, honey?
I am ready.
Okay.
Okay, I've got the griddle on low like we normally do because it gets so hot so quickly. I'm going to just go ahead and spread around the olive oil that I've put there. It is not smoking yet, but it should be fairly soon. I will go ahead and put the flatbreads on.
And even though those are already fully cooked, we're doing this mostly to just warm them, is that right?
Yep.
Okay.
So we should have them warm before too long. I'll go ahead and put our veggies in. And again, you've got a red onion, you've got red peppers, and two different kinds of zucchini. They're being marinated in,
That salad dressing.
That salad dressing.
But it's zucchini and yellow squash.
Zucchini and yellow squash.
Yeah, two
Okay.
kinds of squash.
All right.
Since that's what we grew this year.
Yeah.
And that Italian dressing really gives things a great flavor. And you're saving some of that, yep, to pour on if you need to, yep.
And then I need to put my tomatoes down.
How cooked are you going to get the veggies before you put them on the flatbread? Almost all the way?
Close enough, yeah. So they're kind of crunchy a little bit.
So you're wanting to see some browning on the
Yeah.
crispiness?
Some tanning.
Some tanning. All right, we'll come back when we're ready for the next step. So salt and pepper now.
Yep, salt and pepper now. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn the breads over. Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah.
And we've got our pesto.
You need to kind of stir
Yeah,
that
stir
up.
it. Yeah, I
It's
got
so
that.
oily at
Yeah,
the
I got
top.
that. And our veggies should be browning on the bottom, and I'll get those in just a second. Some of them are getting ready.
And you've already turned the tomatoes once.
Yeah, I've turned the tomatoes already.
The smelling,
It does smell good,
it
doesn't
does
it?
really smell good. So are you going to put the pepperoni down next?
Yeah, I'll put the pepperoni down.
Does it really matter which way you do it? What goes first or second?
I don't think so, not realistically.
Not the way you do it, and this is your recipe.
Well, thank you, I appreciate that. Probably.
So tomatoes are going on next.
Tomatoes are going on next. Whatever's left of them.
They're nice and cooked,
Oh, very cooked.
grilled tomatoes. Now the veggies. The smell is so great, I can hardly stand it. Are we ready yet?
It's melted, but you can still see the individual pieces. So, yes or no?
Oh, I'm good.
Okay, then let's do that.
Okay, let's go eat. So here we are, ready to take our first bite.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Oh, mine is nice and crispy.
Yes, it is.
I'm surprised at that because of the water you put under for the steam to melt the
Yeah.
cheese. It didn't do anything to the crispiness. I think that's why it was up on the rack,
Yeah.
protected it from getting all soggy. Oh. Oh, Jim. We could open a restaurant featuring this.
I'm not sure.
It's delicious.
It is. I like the combination, excuse me, of the pesto as well as the pepperoni and the marinating sauce.
So much flavor.
Yes.
Lots and lots of flavors. Jim is a stickler for flavor. Quite often he tells me, this just doesn't, it just is bland. But not this. So this is just wonderful.
It is very good.
And what a great way to use our frozen flatbread just with stuff that we already had around
Yeah.
the kitchen. So hope you try this. This is just wonderful. And let us know what veggie combinations you use and how yours turned out as well. So I'm thrilled with this. This is going to be a great, it's all level 1 food storage.
Yeah.
Every bit of it. So thank you so much for being with us, and we'll see you very soon for more videos.
Okay, take care.